because who doesn't love the good things of life, you guys? That's the bag, the carton. I am super excited for this bag, and I'm sure you all can tell. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your baby girl again, MonnyLagos, and I'm here with another exciting video. You know the vibe already. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Moninola and I'm a YouTuber based in UK. Make sure to hit that subscribe button before you leave and join the gang. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Anyways, you guys, we already know by the title, we are doing another unboxing today because who doesn't love the good things of life, you guys? So today I've got a package from Teddy Blake. Yeah, the Teddy Blake. Like, you guys, when I got that email, right, I was so excited because I mean, come on, it is Teddy Blake, and I was asked to like select the bag I wanted on the website. So like I had to like go all out, and the bag I picked, you guys, it was speaking volume. What I mean, stand at the end of the road, let them see you from the front of the road. That's the kind of bag I picked, and I'm sure you guys are already excited to see my bag. We're going to be unboxing it together, so let's get right into it. Before we start the unboxing, I would like to tell you guys that the link to order this bag will be in the description box. My discount code is also showing on the screen, and it will be showing on the screen like on intervals throughout till the end of this video, so you can always go to their website and purchase this particular bag or purchase the bag you want, and you can get $30 off every of your order if you use my discount code. How beautiful is that? And there's a 60% off going on right now on their website, so like you can get the 60% off every bag, and then you now get another $30 off with my discount code. That's like a whole lot. You're literally buying the bag for like less than half of the price. But anyways, let's get right into this unboxing, because as you guys also cannot wait, I also can't wait because I've only seen the bag in the on the website. I've not seen it live. I just picked up my package today and I'm going to be unboxing it with you guys. So you guys, as I was, it's a very big box, and I actually didn't think that the bag was this big. So I'm hoping that, I mean, not like I don't want a big bag, but I don't want like a very very big bag. But yeah, let's just see what is inside. I don't have a scissors, so I'm using a blade, and I'm trying to be very careful with it so that. By the way, this bag came like say 3 days after I ordered it, which is like very unusual. Like I was expecting some 2 weeks kind of levels, but it came really early, which is a plus to the brand. So inside the carton has the bag, the carton, or like the pack where you can see Teddy Blake, New York, and let's bring that out now. Yes. No, that should not be on my bag. That should be on the floor. Anywho, here we go. This is the box. It's a white pretty box. So opening up the box now, you can see. I can see. I don't know if you guys can read what is on there, but Teddy Blake New York, designer handbags made in Italy, luxury leather. Each Teddy Blake handbag has been made with you in mind, to be an extension of your unique style and flatter every of your fashion choice. Like that's nice. That's very beautiful. So here we are. Okay. Ugh. I am super excited for this bag, and I'm sure you all can tell. Like, come on. Please, come. No, wait. Are you seeing this bag? Come, nah, look. No, every single detail. I love the size of the bag because I wasn't going for a very big bag. I wanted like a bag that would just be like portable, not too wide, and I got exactly what I wanted. Like, this is really nice. This is a really lovely bag. Oh my god, I don't spoil the bag yet though. You guys, this bag is pretty. I'm going to pull out all this stuff. It has like the longer arm, which I'm going to be attaching very soon. I'm just trying to. Uh, no, everything about this bag is speaking to me. Like it even matches my skin tone. Can you see? Anywho, this is lovely. This is lovely. Every Teddy Blake handbag is made in Italy, by the way, if you're wondering. They're all made in Italy and they're made with premium Italian leather. And the feel is not like all those like mumu leather that you know that it will soon tear or it will soon start peeling. None of that. This is pretty, and I'm going to like attach this hand now and come back to show you guys what I put in my handbag. So you guys, I have my bag all set up and ready to go. This is it has the longer handle like I showed you guys earlier, and it also has this shorter one. So a quick what I put in my bag demonstration for you guys. So opening my bag, I always have a jotter in my bag. Everywhere I go to, like, there's always a small jotter where I just jot things down. I'm more of the writing things down than the typing things down kind of girl. So I always have my jotter in my bag. My wallet is very important. Money, cards, everything you can think of, I put in my wallet. I always try to change my wallet once in a while. When I get bored with this color again, I'll go and look for something else. But I always like small wallets like this so that I can always fit it in any bag that I'm carrying with me. Yeah, always have a pen because you might want to like write something down or sign it something, or I just always have a pen, and I'm still a student, so yeah, always writing. So yeah, pen. My phone, obviously, this is my other phone. I'm using the other one to record, but yeah, I have my two phones in my bag sometimes, and most times I just leave this one at home and take the main phone. But yeah, phones. I also always have my hand cream. It is like a normal thing. I've seen people say, "Why do you have hand cream in your bag?" And there are people that always go, "Oh, I cannot go with my hand cream." But me, I'm always with my hand cream in my bag because I have very dry hands. Sorry about that. I have very dry hands. People that know me, they know that my hand is quite hard for a lady. So I always have hand cream just to moisturize it from time to time. I always have a pack of this tissue. My mom made me start carrying this tissue, and I think it has helped me in a lot of ways. Something spills on your body, you need to clean somewhere, and all of that. I always have this pack of tissue in my bag. Um, my keys, obviously. I'm also part of people that love flamboyant key holders, so like explains why, you know. But like my keys are always with me. Also, what else? Oh yeah, my pods, because yeah, I cannot be walking around without music, or I cannot be on the phone and be holding my phone. So I'm always with this also. I think that's it really. I don't really pack a lot of things in my bag whenever I go out, but yeah, let's take some time to still appreciate this Teddy Blake beauty, you guys. All the like details of this bag is what is giving. There is Teddy Blake on here, like literally the details of the bag are really nice, and it's very lightweight. It's not heavy kind of bag, so you can always take them. Like they're not very heavy, and even I think an iPad can fit in this bag because it is that it is that big. It is not a very wide bag, which I love about it, and I really love the color. I do not have any bag that like is very bright, like that is really bright like this. So I really love the color. Also, obviously there are a lot of other colors. There are a lot of other styles you can choose from on the website. I'll link the website down below, and you can also use my discount code, like I said earlier, to get $30 off your order. And there is a 60% discount going on their website now, so you get the 60% discount and you also get $30 off your order. That means you're buying like a luxury bag for, say, less than half the price, which is a very good buy if you ask me. But yeah, that's that about that. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to check out Teddy Blake and check out your own bags, according to your style. There are smaller bags, there are bigger bags, there are different designs of bags, different types of leather. All you have to do is get on the website and choose which one you want. Like, enjoy your life. Pick like five if you want. Buy for your girlfriends, buy for your sisters, buy for your mom, you know, buy for your friend. In fact, you could just have a friend that you just want to bless with a bag. Can't you? Yeah, you can. Anyways, yeah, Thank you guys so much for watching. Till I see you again in my next one. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share the video with your friends, and do not forget to shop the luxury bags from Teddy Blake. Till I see you again, take care of yourselves and have fun. Bye.